Hi friends, welcome to tutorial days. In this video you are going to learn Angular style binding. In the last video I showed you how you can use Angular ng4 directive. In this case, in this video I'm going to discuss about and show you with example how to use Angular style binding. As you know, style sheet is a very important part of any front-end applications, and as you know, Angular is a front-end framework, so it is important that there must be style. So how you will be adding style, dynamic style, so everything I will try to cover in this video. So here let's create a new project called style binding. Normally what I do, always I create a separate project for this. So ng new style binding, okay, so that you can refer it later whenever you need, if you create separate project each time. Or you can also do one thing, you can create separate components and call in your app component.ts file. But I prefer to install a new project in every new chapter. So I'll just close this folder and open folder here, my D drive, Angular class, and this time style ng style binding. Yeah, this one. It's still installing, but you can see the directory structure here. Currently it is like this. So let's open here app component.html, delete everything, and then so let's write here h1 and then example of style binding. Okay, now here we will write square bracket. Okay, we will write like this: style dot color here equals to whatever color you want to provide here, say red. Okay, so see here the syntax, how we write. First you need to open a square bracket and close square bracket, then style, it is compulsory, and then whatever attribute you want to use. For example, style dot size, style dot background color. So whatever attribute you want to put here, you can put here, and here the value. So if you refresh, oh, still we have not cd style binding, then npm start, and let's open it. Okay, so it's what's wrong? Red doesn't exist on type content, so we need to check single quote also. Yes, now fine. So you need to provide here like this: first single quote, then double quote, and then single quote. Okay, now if I open here this refresh, yes, you can see there is styling in red. So guys, this way you can use style.color or whatever, and you can also use multiple attribute in this one. For example, if you want to use here font color, then font color is already there, font size, then let's write here font, then size dot px. Remember, you need to write here px, and then here say 40. Okay, the syntax here is, this is attribute, and then here is px. You need to specify, you can't write px. If you write px like this, then it will throw error or it will not detect. Okay, so let's go and check. we can also write like this because this is numeric, so we don't need to quote it into single or double quote, but if you want you can do that. So you can see the font size is 50, bigger one, right? So let's font size 80, then the font size increases. So this way you can write multiple classes in style binding, multiple attribute you can use. Apart from that, you can also use conditional CSS. For example, background color I want to use like this. Okay, style dot background color, status error red blue. So if status is true, then it will show red or else blue. So now let's come here and then let's go to its TS file, and what happened here? Okay, it says the status didn't find this one, so we need to write here status equals to. So if we write here, since this is status, so we will write here status equal to error. Okay, now so let's go here and you can see its background color turned to red. If you want to change the background color here, say yellow. If there is error, in that case background color will be like this. So that means what, based on your TS input you can control your CSS into your HTML component. So as you know, this is ternary operator, right? So when this is true, then in background color applies this one. If this is false, then background color applies this one. For example, here rather than error, if you want to show something else like success, so in that case it will display the background color blue, because it automatically will detect here, what's here. If is the background color error, no, then you go to blue. So this way you can apply conditional CSS as well. So guys, that's it in this style binding section. So in the next video we will be discussing with class binding. So stay connected and don't forget to watch my next video where I am going to discuss about class binding. So thanks for watching.